Give me your hands. I don't know you this hard, please.
What a mad woman, the penny walk on the road. Like, you literally see penny walk out in a Migla road, right?
Side eye.
Give me your hands. Imagine you and your little penny across the road and the penny tap out mad. Give me your hands. What is wrong? You know what? Don't worry. You need the slap. Because the penny walk step crazy out in the road. Give me your hand. You don't feel like you need to grab him, pick him up and grab him and hold him and say, look here, we are crossing the road. And I feel like one can come and slack up him in a bush.
Queen of condom.
I want somebody to talk to come here go through depression.
Alright, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is Generation for TDJ News.
If you want to know how to run fast, come to Jamaica.
I give me that no.
I am a professional Jamaican.
What's good, YouTube? It's a girl Kelly, and today I'm back again with the next YouTube video. And if you look on the background and I say, oh my gosh, why me I care about me? I say, bush. I am an island girl, and right now I'm in the island, so of course you're gonna see banana tree.
Okay.
You're gonna see banana tree and him someday. I just about to take like the thumbnail. We're gonna react to some spoiled brat. So if you feel like your little brother or sister, or your auntie or uncle or your nephew or somebody just spoil, no, come this way. So let's get started to this video because I don't have enough time.
Pink, purple. Everything was going great. And then suddenly, Chantel just snapped.
Hey,
One for them people, then they'll show them colors.
Queen of condom.
come now, Chantel. Come not like you see how they spoil pin like she literally just sit on a chill. If you just start, Chantel, come on now, Chantel. If you literally just start, make at least make we see what go on. You just start ball out of nowhere.
Don't. No, that's enough. No. Do not hit me. Hitting is not okay.
Chop.
And look how you talk to her calmly. Do not hitting. Hitting is not okay. When we done, you two want to deserve one slapping on the neck back. Cause what? That is not okay. That is the problem. What do you mean that is not okay? My anger issue could never.
How does this make this special time with you hitting me?
Chantel,
Don't.
Chantel, that behaviour really isn't acceptable. You don't spit.
Oh, it's so discouraging because that's what's been happening in the past. And I just was hoping that it was going to be different.
Yo, fuck.
Turn around, please.
Them a leave her up too much. Somebody need to really. Somebody need to grab her and grab her and say, look here, pitting me. Me are the parents in this place. When I say goals, anything I say goals.
Okay.
Why wouldn't make Chantel a roam around the place? Chantel needs some cereal. Chantel needs some shakings. What? Chantel all over the place and I talk about you're a frag. We don't have time for them little High School Musical bully fooling this year. Anyways, move on with life.
Oh my God! Mackenzie. Leave me alone, people. Damn!
Miss Christie will take it off.
No, I hate putting this on.
No, I hate putting this on. Stop it. I feel like you need to calm down. What is the issue? She literally just put on the clothes on you. Yeah, scream and I cry and I scream. Like, everybody feels.
I don't have any on. I don't
Me's not there. She just a hurt me. She just a hurt up my body. I'm not even dead there. I don't want to take it off. You go wear it. That, you know what? Matter of fact, you go wear it. Who are you screaming at? Who? Why your voice even raised? Everybody in the room look on like. Where slap? The way slap that she forget. Nobody not. Why am I not seeing her printer slap?
Stop it.
Then here she disciplined.
Stop it.
The school run is a daily ordeal for Tara. The dangers of a busy road do nothing to deter Reese's wayward behaviour.
Give me your hands. I don't know you this hard.
What's a mad woman the penny walk on the road? Like, you literally see penny walk out in a Migla road, right? Give me your hands. Imagine you and your little penny across the road and the penny tap out mad. Give me your hands. What is wrong? You know what? Don't worry. You need the slap. Because the penny walk step crazy out in the road. Give me your hand. You don't feel like you need to grab him.
Hello.
Pick him up and grab him and hold him and say, look here, we are crossing the road. And I feel like one can come and slack up him in a bush. Give me a hand. So calm, so simple. Rough up, so come give me a hand. I road way across. Say something regulable. Say something rukushuku-ish. You just calm, humble and chilling. Give me a hand.
Side eye.
And it gets worse when Reese does a runner.
Yeah, they're just chasing.
Then could Reese a run? Could Reese a run? The woman not feel like she need to take this serious. Fit little run from her.
Down the road.
Come in. Oi! Race!
She's lost him. Unbelievable. This is absolutely crazy.
You know, say so still. Take him up and grab him and wall him, lift him up. Or if you can't hold him, you know you look at him with the tie him pan. We don't have that far enough. Tie him pan him or something. But what? A crazy road, this way walk pan, crazy road we walk pan, and she's so calm. This is dangerous. It's not even about being spoiled no more. This is just dangerous.
Quite clearly, Tara knows that he's running off.
Oh my God! Wanna see Penny on the sidewalk? Or me alone see Penny on the sidewalk? If Penny tell her run on the sidewalk, crazy car come zoom bam pass. What if one car pass Penny just run out in the road and everybody is just walking normal?
Okay.
Grab him. When you see when me get to walling and now go loose back. When me done walling and walk to whatever destination we reach, me a walling until we reach where we are going.
This is absolutely crazy. Quite clearly, Tara knows that he's running off and not showing any respect for what she's asking. And every time she doesn't hold his hand, she puts him in risk of being hit by a car. Crazy.
Yes, she said no money and nothing for this. She not serious. Running after this guy. For you say, oh, come here, sir, you may talk to where up and down for a game where you think a park? You think a hobby pan Roblox, we're not running up and down, nothing. If me call you come here where you run for a road up and carry liquor done crush you.
Okay.
Be serious, be parentish. Anyways, guys, we'll go to the next one. Next something scary.
Don't kick her! And don't kick me! Don't!
Hey, Chuck.
I can't do that. Some people get trouble. Don't kick her. And don't kick me. Why pick me a kick up my foot? I'm done with your foot. You would never do it again. Kick who? Ah!
I've had enough of it from him! No! Don't!
Mum's like this.
Why are you swinging at me? I think a school day, I think a fight. Why are you swinging? Why are you swing after me? You lady tell you try. Me don't know what she try do. But if you swing after her and she, don't do that. Grab it. Stop it. What is wrong with you? I feel like I need to stop now.
Queen, calm down.
Let's stand up firm ground, then we understand. But if it's so calm, chill, and willingly, then I'll go play with you. Oh boy, man, I tell you, this crazy world.
She doesn't know whether to come or go. There's Reese playing her up. I mean, you can see the toll it's taken on her because she's just a nervous wreck.
No. That is not nice.
Oh yeah. Them people need grip and ground. Them little... Stop it, Edward. Do not do that, Reese. That not gonna work. You need grab, bap, and boop.
Hello. Look here, man.
Sorry. But them little, stop it. You just curse in front of your face. You know, feel like that. Imagine that young cursing in front of your parents. You know what, you need to make them know who you is from that age. Because imagine when they get older.
No!
It's quite disgusting to watch a 4-year-old swear the way Reese swears. And he does it because he gets a very nice reaction from Mum.
Right, one little calm reaction. Stop it, Reese. Stop it. I say stop it. Stop it, you know. Clap him when you talk about stop it. Clap, lick, fling, flare, thump, flary, wicking, bop, bip. Take off your slippers, do the willy one, bop, do something. Anyways, we'll go to the next one. I can't. Wow.
You get face.
Well, you're not having it! So be stupid and get into bed! Shut up! No, you're not!
Yes!
just so sorry, but government have to get them.
Hello. That's a really.
Sorry, but like, who I gonna keep up with this screaming? I can't take temper, this raging and it just make me get angry too. I mean, I know if one me for do something for walk out, go in, fly up, go down, and I know, but this temper thing.
You're a bitch! You're never supposed to be my family! You're a fat bitch!
Gravity.
Marianne's tantrums make it impossible for her sisters to sleep. They're tired and emotional.
What's got you so upset?
Yeah.
Marianne.
She's getting on my nerves so much. I just can't take it anymore.
Your sister has some pitness here, so not all of them, because if your mother raise the world, them and this is when I'm pitting them, and the pitness is irritated by other sister. And not everybody stays same, you see? She just bally and make all her nice. If poor pitney want to go she bed, would that other one tap her nice? No, she want scream ball and scream and ball. I couldn't bother with that. Screaming and balling and screaming. No.
Hey. What do you think Mum could do that would make it better?
No. I think she needs to be harder on Marianne than us do.
Marianne's screaming, she's lost control. Mum's screaming at her. They're fighting over the plugs. What kind of a bedtime routine is this?
I'm not going to bed! No way!
Not going to bed! No way! That never send it to Nigeria or send it to Jamaica. Send one of them places where we put her in the place where you need to be in. Alright guys, so my phone full again the situation. I'm sure I want to understand. But this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, if you want me react to a longer episode, like a full episode of the situation, just comment down below. Let me know if you react to enter episode, and I will surely do. Just comment down below and let me know. Say here from TikTok, cause why not?
Professional in a sentence for me.